Hello and welcome to medicinal chemistry classes. Today we will discuss about corticosteroid. Sorry. So what is corticosteroid? The adrenal cortex secrete variety of steroid hormones. It's called as corticosteroid. The adrenal gland synthesizes steroid from the cholesterol which is derived from plasma lipoprotein via the low and high density lipoprotein pathway. The adrenocorticosteroids are naturally occurring compound secreted by the adrenal cortex. So first drug of corticosteroid is your hydrocorti hydrocortisone. So this is the structure of hydrocortisone. Property of hydrocortisone: a white to practically white odorless crystalline powder. It is very slightly soluble in water, ether and soluble in chloroform. It's stored at temperature of 25 degrees Celsius and hydrocortisone readily cross the placenta. Next, mode of action of hydrocortisone. The hydrocortisone bind with glucocorticoid receptor and form the complex which produce the specific DNA sequence called as glucocorticoid response element and inside the nucleus for the messenger RNA transcription. These changes in the protein synthesis reflect desired pharmacological response. Next is your clinical uses of hydrocortisone. It is mainly recommended in the hormonal replacement therapy. Hydrocortisone help in carbohydrate protein metabolism and lipid metabolism. It is used in long therapy of autoimmune and inflammatory disease. For the replacement therapy, the children may be given 400 to 800 microgram per kg daily in 2 or 3 divided dose. Next drug of corticosteroid is your cortisone. So this is the structure of cortisone. The property of cortisone: it is a white or practically white odorless crystalline powder. It is insoluble in water and soluble in 1 upon 300 part of alcohol, and it is stored at the temperature of 25 degrees Celsius. Next is mode of action. The cortisone is bind to glucocorticoid receptor and form the complex and which produce the specific DNA sequence called as glucocorticoid response element inside the nucleus for the messenger RNA transcription. The changes in protein synthesis reflect the desired pharmacological response. The cortisone acetate is rapidly effective when it's given orally and more slowly by the intramuscular injections. Next, clinical uses of corticosteroid. So it is used mainly recommended in hormonal replacement therapy. It helps in carbohydrate, protein and lipid metabolism. It is useful as anti-inflammatory and anti-allergic agent. It is also used in tissue transplantation and topically used in eczema skin disorder. So this next drug is your prednisolone. So this is the structure of your prednisolone. Next property of prednisolone: a white crystalline powder. It is practically insoluble in water and slightly soluble in alcohol, acetone and dichloromethane. It is protect from the light. The mode of action of prednisolone: The prednisolone bind glucocorticoid receptor in the cytoplasm and steroid glucocorticoid receptor complex and cause the changes in protein synthesis and deflect desired pharmacological responses. So this is the mode of action of your prednisolone. Next is clinical uses. It is mainly recommended in hormonal replacement therapy. It helps in carbohydrate, protein and lipid metabolism. The cortisone is useful as anti-inflammatory and anti-allergic agents. Next drug is your beta-methasone. So this is the structure of your beta-methasone. The properties of beta-methasone: a white to practically white, old or less crystalline powder, or it is soluble in warm alcohol and sparingly soluble in acetone. It is stored in airtight container at the temperature between 2 degree to 30 degree Celsius. The mode of action of beta-methasone: it is bind with glucocorticoid receptor and form the GR complex, which produce specific DNA sequence called as glucocorticoid responsive element inside the nucleus for the messenger RNA transcription, and these changes in the protein synthesis reflect the desired pharmacological response. This is the mode of action of your beta-methasone. Next is clinical uses. The beta-methasone sodium phosphate topical anti-allergic. It is used in inflammatory condition of the eye, ear as ointment containing 0.1% of beta-methasone. So beta-methasone valerate use as anti-asthmatic or anti-asthma agent. Next drug is your dexamethasone. So this is the structure of your dexamethasone. Next, the properties of dexamethasone. Dexamethasone is a white, odorless crystalline powder. It is soluble in water, alcohol, sparingly soluble in acetone, and insoluble in water. So, dexamethasone stored in airtight container. Next, the mode of action of dexamethasone. It's bind to glucocorticoid receptor in the cytoplasm and steroid glucocorticoid receptor complex and causes the changes in protein synthesis and reflect desired pharmacological response. So this is the mode of action of your dexamethasone. Next is clinical uses. It is used as an anti-inflammatory drug which provides relief in inflammation at various parts of the body. It is prescribed to decrease swelling, which are mostly connected with tumor of the spine and the brain treatment specifically. It is prescribed to get relief from some autoimmune disease and topical skin disorders. It is also used to treat eye inflammation and also prescribed as anti-allergic steroid. So this is all about your corticosteroid. Thank you.